Time for my features section. Let's go to HTML. Boom, boom. Again, we want to section it out. Copy. Paste. Features. Features. We got this. We got this. Features, boom. And we're going to make a section. Each time, put the section. Section. ID equals features. Feature. Features. Boom. Nice. Give some space. That's where we're going to put our feature stuff. We will, let's get some styles going in there. File save. Let's copy this right here. Get the styles. Get the styles. Boom, boom, boom. Features. Space. All right. We did ID features. Copy. Paste. Gotta put the hashtag. Can't forget the hashtag. Curly brace. Boom. All right, we're gonna give it padding top 50 px, and then padding bottom 50 px, semicolon. Nice. Whoa, 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 whoa. Cancel. Save that. All right, got a little bit of space. Now, back to our HTML. And what we're gonna make here is like rows. So let's go div, class equals features, no, feature dash row. Nice. Feature dash row. Enter that, because we're going to put our stuff in it. Let's feature dash row. Okay, and now in there, we're going to make 3 rows. Div, class equals, and here are the columns within the rows. So feature dash column. Good. Now inside of that, we're going to put a picture. img src equals, we're going to put, it's in the images folder. Images. And we'll put pick one, close it, and we'll have some text. We'll make it an H4, subheading, H4, and we're gonna call this one why you should invest. Why you should invest? Question mark. Why you should invest? And we'll give it a paragraph, right? Paragraph. And remember, in that link, so now I got it right here. I just used the same one for all three in our feature section. Copy. Boom. Take off that. Was it up here? No, I took it off already. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. And that is that one little column right there. Well, let's make that 2 more times. A total of 3 columns. Copy, paste. We can change this one. So the only thing here would be we're going to put picture 2, and we'll call this one know your risk potential, and then again copy it, and this will be picture 3, and diversify your investments. Okay, file save. See what it looks like. Whoa, gimungo bungo. Okay, don't worry. Okay, and here are the words. Where are the other words? And then there's this one. And then there's this one. Okay. Don't worry, we're gonna make it look nice. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. So now, we're going to, let's take this class right here, copy, in our features, it's a class, so we put a period, curly brace, nice, and we're gonna do width 80%, semicolon, width 80%, margin will be the remainder 20, but we're just gonna put auto, semicolon. And now display, so let's see what it's looking like. Still gymungous. Display flex. Flex is gonna allow them to line up side by side, beside each other. See, now it's all beside each other. Boom, boom, beside each other, nice. But, and we want the items to be centered, align items, center, good, justify content. So now we'll have some space in between it, space around each, and flex, wrap. Okay, now, stuff is still big. We're going to now grab our feature column, period, comma, semicolon. There you go. Feature column, we want flex basis to be 25%. So we're gonna break it up and text align, center. Great. File save. And now, right here, we're gonna resize those pictures because they are gimungo, right? Boom, boom. IMG. We're going to width. This is what's going to change the size of them. Width 175 px and height 100 px. All right, now it looks a little better. All right, there. Just had to resize them, and now you can see them. Good. Okay, now let's clean up the titles for them. H4. Margin, bottom, it's 15 px. Font size, we want it to be 20 px, a little bigger than our text. And font weight 400 p, just 400, just 400. All right. Woo! Nice. Okay. Boom. Now let's give it a button. All right. So under got div, that's good. Put those two together. And now we're going to create another div, class equals, this is going to be the feature button, PTN. Good. There you go. And then we can now, let's do the line thing again, like we did earlier, right here. Copy. Go ahead and bring it down. And then let's get the normal button we have coded already. Or is that right here? Common button, right? Copy. And let's put it under it this time. Still in our feature button. And instead of read more, let's write start free trial. Now look. Boom. Ah! We don't want it over there. Let's get that organized. Okay. So now check. we're going to style this, copy, style that CSS. It was a class, right? Boom, curly braces, boom. And now we're gonna go margin. We want top and bottom to be 80. We want the top to be 80, 80, px. Right and left, auto, bottom, 0, semicolon. All right. We want to display flex. We want line items. Flex end. And then justify content. Woo! Center. Center. All right. Got it in the middle. Now we still need some space. The middle's good though. Ain't it? All right. So now, right. Copy that. And we're going to use this class line. Good. And we're going to go text align right. Right. Display inline block, semicolon, and then margin right, 25 px, boom. See what that looks like. Much better, much better, much better. Nice, 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 nice. It's looking clean. It is looking clean. It's coming together.